I'm going to try to drill through a plate using a masonry drill. Now I drilled pressing quite hard. I've actually cut into the hard section of the plate, and now I'm going to just go a bit further. As you can see, it is slowly getting bigger. Now, if you can subscribe, that'd be great. Now I've set it to hammer. That's why the picture's breaking up, so we can push it through. I'm actually pushing quite hard on it, but for some reason it's not breaking. And now I'm through. Now that looks okay this side, but when I turned it over, there was a large crack. So it did make a hole, but it did actually fracture the plate itself. So thank you for watching, and if you could, please share, like and subscribe.